You gonna open it?
I'll see what's in this one. And we can open it.
And what are the other parts on the floor there? Under the package, sweetie.
Oh.
What is it?
It's a thing.
A what?
Thomas.
A Thomas?
Thomas.
Does it have letters?
Yes.
What are the letters?
No, the Hey, X.
Good boy.
Like M.
M. And what else? What other letter?
Look, there's no letter in this one.
Is there another letter?
Yes, look.
What is it?
Thomas.
What's the letter on there?
Eh.
What does it spell?
Max.
What do you say?
Thank you. Oh, wait, what is this?
We don't need to open it now, sweet people, because we don't have any boo-boos right now.
I know, I'm just checking.
And who are you thanking? Who are you saying thank you to, Max?
Thank you.
Who are you saying it to?
Grandma.
Nana.
Nana.
Look at the camera, say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
And blow a big kiss to Nana. Good boy.
Like this. Okay, how am I gonna open this?
Why don't you show us what happened? Show the camera what happened. Hold it up. What happened?
An X-ray.
It's an X-ray. What letter does it start with? What letter is that?
X.
Is that what your name starts with?
Yes.
No. Your name starts with M.
An X too, and that.
But we did it wrong though, didn't we? What do we do now?
Open it.
Is it ready?
But I need help.
Okay, let's put it on.
It goes like that.
Yeah?
But I can't do this one.
Why not?
The doctor have to help me.
Okay. Put it on then. Let's try. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Let's have a look. Is it right?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Let's do again.
Okay, you ready? Hold it on. Got it? Oh. Have to do it again.
Can I do it? Can I see the picture? Can I see the picture?
Let's try to put the jigsaw together first.
Okay. I do like that.
But that's the wrong way.
But I like it like that.
You like it like that?
Yeah.
It doesn't spell Max though.
Yes, it is. My say boo boo.
No, that's just silly. Now you're just being a baby.
No.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
We're trying to do this puzzle thing.
How's it working?
Well, good.